What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Mind Junkie na ang pamagat ay 5 scary videos of ghost caught on camera. Nako, to multo, mga nakunan sa camera. Sakto, napakadilim dito. Ilaw lang ako. Itong ilaw na to, meron lang ako. So make sure, subscribe kayo dito kay Mind Junkie. So wag na natin patagalin to. Let's go sa go.
Five ghosts caught on camera. Number 5. Invisible shopper. This happened in a supermarket in Mexico, in the town of Tijuana, when shoppers got scared by someone or something in the canned fruit aisle.
Ano kaya to? Uy! Naglaglagan yung paninda.
First, you can see some strange distortions appearing on the video, moving up and down the aisle. Then, some cans fall to the floor.
Yung nakakatakot dun.
The thing is that someone could not be seen. Number 4. Ghost.
Ang mas nakakatakot dun, kung halimbawa ikaw yung naka-assign doon na empleyado. Kung mas marami pa yung nahulog doon na paninda, ikaw maglilinis nun, ikaw pa mag-aayos nun, di ba? Yun yung mas nakakatakot dun. Ang alam ko lilinisin niya, syempre dodoble trabaho di ba? Ang napapansin ko din nga sa mga ganyan, may mga nangyayari nga yan minsan pag pupunta ako sa mga supermarket. Nangyayari talaga yung naglalaglagan yung mga paninda. Hindi ko alam kung may multo or baka na lang siguro hindi lang maayos yung pagkakapatas. So, yung mas nakakatakot, dodoble ang trabaho dun sa empleyadong maglilinis nun.
In the pantry. This old video was shared on YouTube around 10 years ago about a ghost appearing behind a pantry door. It's still pretty spooky and exciting.
Nakakatakot din to yun no. Binidyohan na niya. Andyan na siya mismo ayun no. Imposibleng peke ito. Tuloy pa sa akin kung imposibleng peke kasi mahihinig mo yung paggalaw ng doorknob. Di ba? Yun yung napansin ko din. Mahihinig mo yung paggalaw ng doorknob. Kasi kung peke yan, or kung hindi naman nailapat ng ayos, bubukas siya ng kusa. Pero dito, mismo yung doorknob nagalaw, bubukas. So, ito yung malaking chance na may nagpapagalaw dyan na entity. So, ayun no. Ano yun? Oh! Hoy! Uy! Ano yung saan galing yun? Mama mia, ano yun? Ay! Sorry. Oh? Ang creepy nito. Ayun na naman. Ay, may kasama na siya Ay, may kasama na siya. Ay!
Oh my god, dude. The hell is that?
Oh, bumukas. Bumukas.
Go. Look out.
Oh, ayan oh. Pinapakita yung loob oh.
Oh my god. What the?
Maliit lang yung space. Paano magkakasya yun doon?
Grace!
Pinapakita yung loob. So, ibig sabihin, paano may papaliwanag o paano masasabi na magkakasya yung nakita nila doon sa loob, di ba?
In the footage, you can see the hands pressing against the glass, and then the face of a person
Creepy.
looking through the glass door. At first glance, you might think this is a prank of someone trying to scare the person. With the door open, you can clearly see that there is no space for a person to fit at all. Number 3. Ghost in the parking lot. This footage is from a CCTV camera in a Japanese car park where you can see cars driving past and the appearance
Ay,
of a ghostly figure.
Sa dako naman. No? Pag Japan talaga. Oh! Uy! Oh! Nadaanan!
This may seem like just a person standing there, but the next vehicle coming out of parking just drives
Hindi
through
siya
it.
nakita oh.
That is not normal at all. Number 2. It attacks.
Takot yun eh. Parking lot. Yung makakita ka ng ganun. Lalo na kung ikaw yung mag-isa. Ang mas nakakatakot din dyan, naka-experience. Ay, hindi man literal naka-experience. Pero, naano ko yung, alam mo yun, wala na masyadong tao sa parking lot. Yung ikaw na lang mag-isa. Minsan makakahamdam ka ng ganun takot na parang feeling mo may nakatingin sa'yo. Ang creepy ng ganun.
Take a look at this video showing how the dark, ghostly image pushes the person against the wall.
Oh! Uy! Uy! Mamma Mia! Ano yun? Oh! Ay!
As you can see in the video, a man walks down a hallway, not suspecting anything to happen to him. What happens when he turns the corner is something nobody wants to experience.
Oh?
Could this be a vengeful spirit who wanted to get even with the person? Before we move on to number 1, we'd appreciate it if you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified of when we release a new video. Number 1. Nanny Cam Ghost. It is quite scary to take a look at the camera in your baby's room and find a suspicious figure walking around in the footage. This is what happened to Heather and Joshua from Highland in March 2019.
Ayun no. Takot na ako. Buti na lang nakasahado yung kortina ng kwarto ko dito. Minsan mapapatingin pa rin ako eh. Sabi ko, ito nakakatakot. Ito pala yung nakakatakot pag pakiramdam pag nanonood ka ng madilim. Tapos itong ilaw lang yung gamit. Ba't kasi iniiwanan yung baby na mag-isa? Yun ang napapansin ko sa kanila. Di ba sa atin dapat nga sinasamahan yan kasi baby pa.
In the video, you can clearly see the figure walking in the background, and the baby even got up to look at the figure. What is even worse is that the woman claims the ghost has scratched her baby and it attacked her as well. After they saw the footage of the person in the baby's room, they also found out that the original owner committed suicide inside the house. Can the ghost be that of the owner who allegedly committed suicide? And is it really haunting the new occupants? These are 5 terrifying ghosts caught on camera that may give you the shivers.
Nakakatakot yung gano'n 'no, yung iiwan mo yung lalo na yung iiwan mo yung baby mo, mag-isa, baby pa lang. Ba't hindi iniiwanan, dapat sinasamahan palagi, eh, kasi baby pa. 'Di ba kung sa'tin nga 'di ba, mga magulang laging sinasamahan ng bata, ni lamok ayaw madapuan 'di ba? Dapat gano'n din sila, eh. So 'yun, nakakatakot din yung sa ano, yung sa luma na yung videong 'yun, yung sa may pantry bumubukas yung pinto. Tandang-tanda ko 'yun, high school ako nung napanood ko 'yun. So 'yun, subscribe kayo dito, Mind Junkie. 'Yan, napakaganda ng video talaga nito, eh. Gustong-gusto ko rin 'tong mga video nito ni Mind Junkie. Saka siyempre mag-subscribe din kayo sa aking channel na Master Renz at paki-click na rin ng bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood. Thank you so much po sa pagsama and ingat po kayo palagi.